When we talk to our customers about digital contract management, we often use 3 key points. The first point is making sure that you use a good digital repository. The second one is that you make use of digital workflows within your contract management system. And the last one is that you create a very good usable environment for the users that have to work with contracts. If you look into the first one, the digital repository, we make that very important because of compliance. If you look into contract management, compliance is one of the most important items. People have to make sure that they always look into the right version, that you afterwards exactly can see who touched the contract when, what happened with the contract, who viewed it, where is it sent to, and this can all be done from a digital repository. The use of automated workflows makes it very easy to work on contracts within the organization. Because if you want to approve or work on a contract together, you have to make sure that it runs through certain steps. First, it is revisioning by the different users. It has to be approved by a certain level of management. And of course, it has to go out to the contractor on the other side of the line, which also has to approve his side for the contract. So the digital workflow will make it very easy to run the contract to your organization. The last point is, of course, usability, because every user that has to look into a contract has to make sure that they always look into the right version, that they can see the revisions, that they can see what happened in relation to the last revision that they make. And if you make that very visible, you make it very easy for the user to do their part in the contract cycle. Next to that, contract management solution is very important because as soon as the contract is stored, you have functionalities in which the system will be proactive to you. For example, if there is an end date in a contract, the system will automatically let you know that the end date is closing. In that way, you avoid penalties or different stuff that is related to that contract, like, for example, the conditions of the contract or other things.
Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.